It is now possible to preview an AMP assessment. So when an assessment has been pushed out to your course, click on the title of the assessment, and then you will notice now there's a preview button at the top. You can simply click that and then start a new attempt in the preview mode. This will let you work through all the problems. At the end, you will not be able to submit, however. You will get a screen that says the following. You've reached the end of the preview, but students would be able to submit. If you cannot see this preview, then the person who pushed out the test to your class has not allowed it. And that person can do that when they are creating the test in AMP. There's a settings button up in the top right-hand corner. When they click that, at the bottom, there is an option to select Yes to Instructor Preview. Again, you can preview the AMP assessments, and if they are not available for preview, contact the person who distributed that test to your class to turn on the preview.